Stubai Zoo. Time to send it in Stubai Zoo.
Got the feeling in your bones, make you feel right at home.
We're at the Stubai Zoo with the kids that join us today to ride in honor of Grilo.
Feeling dead, 'cause I could run a mile of this, head over heels as I miss. The sun has got me on my track, I ain't never looking.
The weather is actually pretty awesome if you ask me. It's freshy. Amazing.
Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking. Yeah. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking.
Everything we did this season was in honor of Grilo. Not just because he was the best thing that life gave us, but because we wanted to continue the movement and the legacy he started as a father of family snowboarding. Regardless of what level you're at, snowboarding should always be about having fun, and Grilo was the second name for fun and snowboarding. So let's keep shredding in his name and keep doing this and honor him for all the years to come.